I'm visiting my girlfriend in Paris for a month, and so I booked a trip. However, there's a very big hurricane coming, so I was supposed to fly Sunday, but last minute I changed my flight to today so that I could leave on time and see her instead of getting stuck in Miami. But I'm always concerned about hurricanes in South Florida. I grew up here, so I've seen a lot of hurricanes. I've seen people affected by Hurricane Andrew and Irma, so it's always a concern, yeah.
It's very scary, all the news, everything that's going on. So hopefully everyone's going to be okay, all the houses, no damage, hopefully.